Alright, so I wrote about, I don't know, maybe 800 lines of code today. So we have the new noise functions that I've been using. And then previously we had used the graphics mesh's face, or vertices, as the KD tree for sculpting. And that's not going to work with a big open world because this is going to move. So the KD tree would no longer be valid as soon as we move some of the faces over to the next address. So instead, I had to do a bunch of math to compute which vertices a physics vertice owns in a graphics mesh. So I did that, and you notice how there's chunks here, there's gaps. We hit P for play. And then bam, there's no gaps. So what happens is it figures out who owns what, and then doubles their scale, and then gets the noise at that location, and that makes everything link up nice. So now I have physics tiles, and each tile knows what graphics vertex it owns. And then the graphics vertex are islands. So if we grab a vertex, these aren't connected to anything. And then, uh-oh. Oh yeah, I see. There we go. So each vertice here owns a graphics vertice up here. And then the weld modifier is what's bridging the gaps between them. So we now have the grid. Next up is to make it so right now we're filling in locations in the grid, but I don't have them falling into the KD tree yet. At the beginning here, we make this KD tree of where tiles can land. This one. So this exists. This is where the tiles are going to be. I just need to have them drop their themselves into the KD tree slot. And then, yeah, from there on I'll have sculpt working again. So that's tomorrow's stuff. Thanks for watching.